friends, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Let's Study. Today we all are here to discuss one topic that is on importance of time and humanity. So friends, please like our channel, share it with your friends and relatives and don't forget to subscribe to get new, interesting and delicious videos.
Hello friends. Today we'll take a discussion on importance of time. So friends, time is important for all of us. It plays a very significant and a very important role in our life. Time is not only punctuality. It is about if we better understand the time value, then we can gain experience and develop skills over time. Time is an ultimate thing that cannot be measured. There is a proverb that time is precious. It means time does not waste to anybody. We have to go with the time. So friends, what are your views about this topic? That is importance of time.
Well, time plays very significant role in one's life. If we better understand the value of time, then it can gain experiences and develop skill over time. Time is the ultimate thing that cannot be measured. There is a proverb that is, time is precious. It means time does not wait to anybody. We should have to go with the time.
It is rightly said that time and tide wait for none. Be it rich or poor, time waits for no one. We all are allotted a certain amount of time in our life and hence we must use it wisely. Time once passed cannot be brought back.
Well, friends, as I said that time is important for all of us. Time is important for our chief minister, prime minister, because they also need time to do their work. Friends, you go and ask to a fair student, a patient who is fighting with his life, and a mother who had delivered her baby about the time value. Then they will say that how important is time in our life. Time is important for all of us, but it plays different role in everyone's life.
The best proverb on time is time and tide wait for none. It is better said by someone. Everyone has to be understand the value of time. Time is invaluable. It is more valuable than money.
Time is precious and we must not waste it. If we utilize our time properly, it will help us to have a bright future. Whereas if we keep on wasting time by doing meaningless tasks, then it can lead to failure.
Time is like a money for us, and we waste it by foolishly activities in meaningless activities. But great people make the use of time because they know that how important it is. They know that time and tide wait for none, and once it slips from our hand, cannot be earned back.
Time is precious partly as a reason as we are allotted a certain amount of time in our life. So we need to make sure that we will use it wisely. Nothing can stop the flow of time. Time once passed cannot be brought back.
Time is more precious than money. Every person who wants to be successful must understand the value of time. We should must plan activity to save time. Student can make a timetable to revise their syllabus so that it becomes easy to study during exams.
Wasting time means wasting our opportunities that God gives us to catch our goal. And if it slipped from our hand, it cannot be brought back. It is much powerful than kings and queens because they come and go, but time is forever.
All people have to work in any mode of the life with punctuality. If we are punctual in every mode of our life, then no one can say something or anything for us. The student should go to school on time. If he or she will punctual, then there are no chances to get punishment.
Grown-up also need to save time and utilize their productive work. Doing the right thing at right time is also important. Striking the cold iron is cannot be useful. The right time is when the iron is red hot.
Time has neither a beginning or nor an end. What is important is today. Today means the works, the effort done by time that it is earned. It is no use to strike the iron when it is cold. The right time is when it is hot. Time helps us to catch our goal in our life.
Time management is the permanent understanding for the value of time. The people who do their works on time, they understand the value of time. And the people who did not suffer for the value of the time, uh, they lost their future and the time help and not help to them. They do not understand the value of time.
It is said that time is the most precious gift that we can give to someone. Then why not we give to our loved ones? Spending time with our family is also important. When we spend time with our family, what we get? We get in returning the memorable moments of our life. When we give someone our time, then we give them a portion of our life.
This quotation is true that time heals everyone. It also helps us to forgive the mistakes done by the people. Time is the best medicine to catch our goal. Killing of time is not a murder, it's a suicide. And it suits to those persons who does not know the value of time.
A famous proverb is teaching time saves nine. It means solving a problem in an early age. So everyone has to do focus on your everyday work every day.
Time is money. But if we know that if we lost money, then we can get it back somehow. But if we lost time, then we cannot recover it anymore. If we look at the successful people, they all value the time. They know that time is an important resource, and but it is limited and not renewable.
Time is much more important than everything else in the universe. Money can be earned in every sphere of the life, but time that it once slipped from our hand cannot be earned back. Time is just flowing like a water, and we have to catch it to catch our goal. So, friends, always be on time and always respect time because time is important for all of us and it plays a very important role in our life.
Everyone has this ability to plan all things in future and it will more efficient. The prosperous people of the world should know the value of time and do their work on time. So friends, we does not waste our time in, in unnecessary thinking and try to use the best use of it.
Time is invaluable for all of us. We should respect each small second of our time. If we should not waste a moment of time till to end of life. The time in today's world is very powerful. Hence, we should not waste time and make the best out of it.
So friends, it was a good discussion and uh, and from this discussion we get that we does not waste our time. Now I think that we take a next decision that is humanity.
So, friends, humanity, the definition of humanity is the entire human race in the earth and the characteristics that uniquely belong to a human being, such as kindness, mercy, and sympathy. An example of humanity is the entire human race in the earth are treating someone with kindness.
Humanity means caring and helping others when people need help. Humanity means caring of others when they need most of our help. Humanity means forgetting our selfish interest and um, at times when other needs most of our help.
Humanity is the quality of kindness, mercy, and sympathy. Humanity is the mm, humanity is trying to understand others and realize their problems in our own eyes.
Humanity is the entire human race in the earth, which includes everyone on the earth. It is derived from the word Latin, the Latin that is humanus, for human nature and kindness. Humanity includes all the person in the earth, but it can also refer to a kind feeling that humans offer to have each other.
Religion is a bold entity that should add some higher purposes in one's life and keep granted. It is not just a set of rules that you devote your life just to.
It means caring for others. It means caring for others and help other people. It also means loving and caring plants and animals. Every religion in the world tells the humanity. Humanity is the reason what we all are what we are today.
Humanity means helping or caring someone whenever and wherever possible. Humanity means helping someone at times when they need the most help. Humanity means forgetting our selfishness, our self-interest at times when the others need our help. Humanity means extending unconditional love to each and every living being on earth.
If eating and having fun is only then what we are born to do, then we should keep one thing in mind. Even animals can do this, that one does not need a hefty bank account for to contribute all humanization. Paying our domestic help to animals is also humanity.
People who work for humanity are the happiest one. No matter what is the religion belongs to. Um, we are human first to help each other. Strike the humanity. Helping others and and old one is the greatest humanity.
Humanity is a virtue associated with basic ethics of altruism derived from the human condition. It also symbolizes as love and compassion to each person in the earth. This is humanity, and it acts as love, compassion, and that are typically individual, which is expanded to all.
Lifting a heavy bag of old men is humanity. Helping a disabled person to cross the road is humanity. Helping a mom to in courses is humanity. In fact, helping anybody who is in need is humanity.
Did a person can do? Did a person can do? Mm, we don't need to be very rich. Mm, to serve humanity, a small act of kindness to someone in trouble will be a great help. Um, uh, to give food to someone who is hungry.
The power of humanity is the strength of individual commitment and the force of collective action. Both must be mobilized to relieve suffering, to respect for human dignity, and ultimately create a more human society.
As soon as we understand the importance of humanity in day to day in our life, the importance of which we are in art is automatically fulfilled.
We can give clothes. We can give someone clothes to someone that who need it. Uh, we can help poor students to paying fees or purchasing books. Mm, also, after the humanity, a lot of inner opinion and satisfaction.
The power of humanity is the internal commitment and a common action. Both must be mobilized to that first suffering.
At this point, I want to mention some words of Mahatma Gandhi. That is, one set of humanity is not fair. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of ocean is dirty, then the ocean is not dirty.